Hello people, it's Tiger Amazingness, although you guys can just call me Tiger. And outside we are doing another episode, Smash It, except this time with a sledgehammer. And yeah, my neighbors are mowing the yard. It's annoying. Like, you can mow your yard. Another. This is gonna be hard to hit. Okay, ready? 3, 2, 1, go. Oh, I missed. 3, 2, 1, go. Oh, I hit it. 3, 2, 1, go. 3, 2, 1, go. 3, 2, 1, go. Alright, there we go. That's nice. Oh, look at this. Oh, it got so bent. It just got annihilated. See? It got hit right there. And obviously right there in the middle. And yeah, hold on. Okay, one last hit. 3, 2, 1, go. Oh, okay, sorry. One last hit. Sorry. I didn't hit it for real. 3. Oops. And my battery's off. 3, 2, 1, go. And a miss. 3, 2, 1, go. Go. There we go. I bent it back. I bent it back to its original shape. Houston. I bent it back to its original shape.